905, sort array by parity. Given an array A of non-negative integers, return an array consisting of all the even elements of A followed by order odd elements of A. You may return any answer array that satisfies this condition. Okay. Uh, I mean, I guess it is just what it sounds like. Not sure if there's anything tricky about it. Uh, I mean, yeah. So what I would generally try to do in these sorting function is just, or sorting problems, is to just write a comparator. And in this case, that should not be that hard. You just want all the even numbers to be before the odd numbers. So, okay, cool. Uh, so, how do I do if it is even, then it becomes in the beginning. Then maybe something like that. Oh, I guess that syntax is 955. Is that other ternary? That other ternary operator is like something like that or something, if I remember correctly. But I actually don't remember, so this probably won't come out. I'll just write a little thingy for it. Yeah. Fine. And I'll have to look it up later. Oh, so that, yeah. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for the comment, SN314. Yeah, I think it's something like that. It's been a while. And also, I think in general, I don't think that's code that like, maybe other people have different opinion about it, but I think it's probably not good production level code because it leads to a lot of confusion in general. So that's why I'm a little rusty on that, but let's see if that works. Cool. So that works. I mean, yeah, it's kind of what it sounds like. I did a little hacky thing to kind of make it easier to code, or you could definitely have um, write something based on comparator, meaning have given two numbers, you compare which one is bigger or which one comes before and so forth. The way I did it is I actually said I mapped each number to a key, and if it's even, we put it in or we set it to a negative number, which always puts it in front of all the positive numbers in theory. Well, given that it only contains non-negative integers for this problem. But yeah, so overall, a simple problem. I think this is probably a little easy for a phone screen in general, but it could be like, I could see it being like a 10 to 15 minute problem at the beginning of a couple of problems. And it's kind of like was it FizzBuzz or something like that, where the people just want to know, double check to see if you actually know programming like you claim you do, kind of thing. Uh, and you can do this in a number of ways. But however you do it, as long as you don't do something crazy, it should be okay. I mean, like you could write your own bubble sort or something, but even then, that should be like 4 or 5 lines of code if you do it correctly. So I don't know. But at the end of the day, there should not be that much code in for this problem. Yeah, so I think one additional thing to point out about this problem, and I'm doing this a little bit after the fact, is on stream, I don't know, I just like solving problems, and I actually, because this is a easy problem, I didn't really give this as much thought as I should have probably. I mean, I actually did not solve this optimally. I think in these kind of, at least when you do things online, it's easy to kind of do the easiest thing that works Yeah, do the easiest thing that works, but not necessarily the optimal solution, right? In this case, I think if this was an interview or something like that, maybe I don't know why they chose n to be so small in that case, though. But you can actually so this is n log n because we do a sort, but actually, you could another way to think about this, and there's linear way to do this. There's things that are kind of similar to like bucket sort or something like that, radix sort or something like that. One of those linear sorts, so you could do those in linear time, and in fact, and or you could depend on how you want to phrase it, but you could also have like a period, or you could kind of do like a like in quicksort where you sort around a period, except in this case you just go through the entire list and then kind of maybe keep pointers along the way, and you could do it over n time, right? So definitely on an interview, definitely try to think. I definitely jumped into this problem really quickly because I don't know, it's it's very simple to understand and it's very easy to implement. And when you look at the constraints, it's very small, so to understand it, you could do it in very easy ways. But during the interview, definitely slow down a little bit because I think I finished this in like less than 5 minutes. You have to, you have more time, so definitely pace yourself and make sure that you go through all the possible answers before you figure out what you want to do, and especially call it at the end of the day.